haven't seen like Japan, you know, or other countries. So just like at least see the world we're in and then figure out if you want to go to the moon, you know?
No, that's true. You wouldn't want to die knowing that Pakistan or thinking that Pakistan was a threat.
Yeah, exactly. Now,
Now
I've
you
been
know.
there.
You've been there, checked off.
Yeah,
That's good.
tick.
I mean, you've been to India. You've been to.
But look, I think they probably do eat.
The
stuff,
thing is,
but,
it's such a big population. You got to eat everything. If you think about it, like no,
the
it's not a
population is
diss.
crazy. It
I mean,
is.
I mean,
you know,
same thing in-
China is so advanced, like
Of course.
insanely advanced.
I think we are living because of China, this technology, this
Yeah.
tech.
I agree with you. Yeah,
They have their own versions of even
Yeah.
like social media. I
course.
don't think
They
have
use
YouTube.
WeChat,
right?
WeChat.
Yeah, they have
yeah.
WeChat and like their own version of YouTube, which is I think the same
Even
thing.
Facebook, WhatsApp,
Yeah.
everything.
I think WeChat is like everything in one app. Everything you can imagine is in one app.
Yeah,
Like
I think
from
that's
your
what
bank
I think that's what Elon Musk is trying to do.
with Twitter,
Yeah,
with X now.
exactly. X. He's like a crazy genius. I heard someone saying like he launched SpaceX just so he can send like satellites as if it's for SpaceX just to control the world or something.
I wouldn't. So, I've read all of his books.